understand what is data analysis, we need to break down it into what is data type of analysis, then what is data analysis, and where we use the data analysis. First, what is data? Data is raw and not organized information that refer to conditions, ideas, or objects. Data is also facts that can be analyzed or used to gain knowledge or make decisions. In computer, data is symbols or signals that are input, stored, and processed by a computer. So, where can we connect data? Data is limitless and present everywhere in the universe. There are lots of ways to connect data. Two main sources are internal and external. External sources can be social network, news, and research bodies, whereas internal can connect from operations, sales, management, and marketing. Analysis regard as three kinds: diag- diagnostic analysis, predictive analysis, and prescriptive analysis. What is data analysis? Applying three types of analysis to analyze data can be known as data analysis. Another way to define it, data analysis is a process of collecting and transforming data in order to discover useful information and help users to make correct decisions. The process of data analysis includes data collection, data processing, data cleaning, exploratory data analysis, modeling, and communication. With the improvement of technology, this process becomes more and more effective. Therefore, data analysis is playing the most important part in every aspect of any organization.
Data analysis is used almost everywhere because it helps users gain better insights of the information they have and making decisions. We are only looking at business in this presentation to demonstrate how data analysis can help business improve and make decisions. For example, we all know that Amazon has pioneered e-commerce in many ways, but possibly one of its greatest innovation was the personalized recommendation system, which is of course built on data it gathers from its millions of customer transactions. It is believed that the key building block of Amazon's success are their ability to use data and how to analyze it. Amazon has recently obtained a patent on a system designed to ship goods to us before we have even decided to buy it. That is the predictive dispatch. The reason for this is that Amazon wants to be able to deliver products faster. Comparing traditional retailers have used predictive analysis to recommend goods based on past buying patterns. What is new here is that Amazon is taking it to the personal level, predicting the items you have high chance to buy. This is a strong indicator that their confidence is reliable and predictive analysis is increasing. This patent seems impossible, but the machine learning nowadays, this could be the future. If you have an Amazon account and you take a quick look at your Amazon homepage, you will notice as the recommendations is never the same because Amazon is continuously analyzing your personal preference based on your browsing history, what you have bought and searched for in the past. While this type of things occur frequently today, Amazon was one of the first companies to do this. Amazon has put a focus on using this data to give its customers a personalized and focused buying experience. Interestingly, by giving customers this personalized experience, the customer tends to buy more than they would otherwise. The nature of Amazon business model allows it to build and develop the mechanism to analyze data consumer behavior. It is now selling that system to other businesses by making that data, as well as its own tools for analyzing it. available to buy. And this is called the Amazon Web Services, which offer cloud based computing and data analysis on enterprise scale. Basically, they get to know our target products and promote it further. Amazon has grown far beyond its original inception as an online bookshop, and much to this is due to its enthusiastic adoption of data analysis principles. Next is the graph, which portrays about data analysis um, on how it helps in Amazon's strategy. Amazon did some survey about their customer spending. It is found that Amazon Prime members is the most spending customers. After this result, Amazon has decided to increase more Prime members. They have 19 million new users from June to July by adding more features. To someone who don't know what is Amazon Prime, it is a membership service that provides huge discount at Prime Day, streaming services, free shipping, and etc. The reason for this big jump is a decision of changed annual membership to monthly membership. Good decision from Amazon. So without data analysis, they wouldn't have this decision.
Not only data analysis can help firms improve in sales, it can be used to improve management within organization. Any organization management is really broad. That's why we need to ask right question in order to focus on what aspect we want to address. By performing data analysis, manager can know what happening and deal with any problem arise. Let's using the example. How can manager know the performance of their employees? Nowadays, to check employees, manager can use monitoring software. This monitoring software can actually know exactly what the employees do on the computer. For example, they can track in the email, browsing history, and so on. But we just raw data. It is difficult to read and understand. Let's look at this picture. How can manager have enough time to see each person's screen? Luckily, this software have the function to report this data into very informative way. They put this raw data into one page that help manager easy to read. From that, manager can see who perform best, worst, or if there are any problems they need to address. That after using monitoring software and the problem arise is that many employees work very inefficient, and the reason is employees are not happy with the organization. Let's apply how data analysis help manager address this problem. First, he need to collect data by conducting survey or existing data. But what data does he need? Collecting raw data can help him address the problem more effective. In this case, it can be data of salary and rewards. You work for the companies, relationship with other workers, etc. After manager got all the data he needs, now he use data analysis to get the report. The report shows him that the relationship between salary and emotion is really high. From that outcome, manager can decide what is his best solution. Decision can be whether to raise salary or provide more benefit to the workers. Of course, this is just example, but we can see that by asking right question, collecting right data, and using data analysis, manager can know what happening and how to address the problem. In conclusion, data analysis is the process of transforming data into useful information. Data analysis can be used in any organization to monitor and optimize the business process, whether it will affect external stakeholders or internal stakeholders. Through many years, data analysis has become much efficient and effective due to technology. But to get the most from data analysis, we need to ask the right question. Therefore, human factors still play the most important role.